Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to share with you my experience in one of the charter which I took in the Gold Coast. Just last week we went to Gold Coast for 1 week, and we took one of the charter which they call it BK charter, which was half a day. It actually was not too bad. I just want to tell you about the catch, things which works well and didn't work well, and what I learned from it. And if you are interested, please keep watching. I hope you find something useful information in that one as well. We are here. We're gonna be being picked up soon. It's coolish.
You gonna be warming up hands?
Yep. Oh, yes, not a problem at all.
Let's see, you ready? Chris, are you nice and warm?
I'm warm. My legs are freezing. But...
Alright. Hopefully the sun about to come out, as you can see down there. And the gate sea. Hey Janet, how are you?
I am good.
What kind of fish you want
I
in the
would
plate?
I would like, just a nice like white flaky fish.
Just be more specific.
Saltwater white flaky fish.
Not red-blooded baby fish.
Alright, let's see what you can do for Janet. And rock and roll. Look at fish again. Dropping the line right. It's a 40 meter, isn't it? You said 40. 43. Yeah.
Oh.
We have nice weather. I haven't catch any fish yet. Hopefully we catch one good size. That's better bite. Yeah. Hey! I don't know what I have, but that's better fish. Wrong one. Yeah. Yeah.
Keep going. That's it. And lift.
Yeah.
Right up.
Hey! Oh!
Nah. Shit, it's not right size, I can see it.
Hey, Grant! Come on, dude.
Oh, maybe this one. Even this.
Tailor, is it?
Yes.
It's a rockfish.
What about this one? I think it's close as well.
2 keepers, Grant, 2 keepers.
$37.5.
Hey!
Is that legal?
Straight down.
No.
Ah, shit.
Half a centimetre under.
Someone catched tuna. Is that what type of tuna is that?
Mactuna.
Mactuna?
Oh, worse.
That's a fish.
Mactuna's got white flesh.
No, quite that.
Oh, everyone can start jumping again, I think.
Okay.
Is that right, Cal?
Yeah. Somebody else catched another tuna.
Way back there, you can't see anything.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa!
Nice work.
Just like that.
Oh, it's going to be
Second tuna board.
Good to fish, guys.
What do you got, Matt? Flat. Bring it in.
That'll make you happy, Chris.
Yeah.
Lovely one.
That's good.
Loose spot.
Another flucky.
Yeah.
Good. I think another flathead. Oh.
Hey! Yeah, if you got both the flatheads or...
You got the other flathead.
Yeah. Look at my specialty, look at We're heading back. About 5 hours fishing. It was a lovely day. That was three tuna, wasn't it? Three tuna. Other people caught. Oh, we're done for today. We have to now fillet the fish. What we got here, Vince?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. It was pretty nice out there. Swell was down, relatively smooth.
Yeah,
so it was
the
good.
weather was good, not too hot, not too cold. Didn't have a lot of time to take my jacket off, it was too hot. One guy they gave us his is that
Mactuna.
Mactuna, which is going to be interesting to see how that tastes. We got 2 flathead, how many? What have we got? 2 flathead,
2 Trag.
2 Tailor. Apparently it's a bit more oily. Tuna we got this macro tuna. We got it from Gold Coast charter. Now we're gonna fillet it, because Vince's gonna fillet it, he knows how to do it. But basically you have to first put the brain and stick to paralyze it, and then you bleed it straight away and keep it cool as quick as possible. Nice fish.